In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive hierarchy chart using Canva. We'll break this down into straightforward steps so you can follow along easily and create a chart that's perfect for your project needs. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your Canva project. You can do this by heading over to Canva on your web browser. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a great tool for creating stunning graphics, presentations, and more. Once you've logged in or created an account, navigate to the project where you'd like to insert your hierarchy chart. If you're starting from scratch, you might want to create a new project by clicking on the Create a Design button. This sets the stage for our chart building journey. Now that you have your project opened up, look over to the side panel. Here you'll see various options that Canva offers for enhancing your design, everything from photos to text and beyond. Today, we're focusing on elements. Give that a click. This section is packed with so many versatile tools to take your designs to the next level. In the search bar within the Elements section, you're going to type in Hierarchy Chart. As soon as you hit Enter, you'll see a variety of chart styles popping up on your screen. Canva has a wonderful selection of both simple and complex hierarchy charts to choose from. Whether you're looking for something straightforward or a bit more intricate, you're likely to find it here. If you're feeling creative and want to have something tailored exactly to your needs, you can start a chart from scratch. This option allows you to fully customize each element and data point according to what best suits your organization or project. Alternatively, for those who want to save some time, Canva offers ready-to-use chart templates. These pre-designed options can be a real time saver and can be customized just as much. Once you've selected the right chart for your needs, click on it to add it to your project. From there, it's all about customization. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your branding or project theme. Don't forget, you can also input specific data to ensure that the chart accurately reflects the necessary information. And there you have it. Your very own hierarchy chart is good to go. Not only did you learn how to locate and implement this tool within Canva, but now you also have the flexibility to create tailored charts that fit your specific needs. By following these steps, you can now craft professional-looking hierarchy charts with ease, making your project stand out with impressive visual solutions.